How to change aspect ratio in PickU. Want your photo to fit perfectly on Instagram stories or a YouTube thumbnail? Let's change the aspect ratio in PickU. Super simple. Open the PickU app and tap the plus icon, tap edit button and select the photo you want to resize. Once the photo loads, tap on the crop. It usually looks like a square with overlapping corner. Choose your aspect ratio. PickU gives you several preset options. 1:1 ratio for Instagram post, 4:3 ratio for portraits, 6:9 for YouTube thumbnails. Go for free to crop however you like. Just tap the one you need and drag to adjust. Tap checkmark to apply your new ratio. Make any final tweaks, then hit save to export your perfectly sized image. And that's it. Changing aspect ratio in PickU is just a few taps away. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photo editing tips. See you in the next one.